In this video, I'll show you how to display WordPress posts in a grid layout without plugin. You can absolutely display WordPress posts in a grid layout without using any plugin, and it's a great way to keep your site lightweight and fast. So to get started, go ahead and open WordPress into your device, and then sign into your account. And then once you're in here, go ahead and click on this Pages tab at the left side of your screen. Click on Edit under the specific page that you want to edit, and then once you're inside the page, go ahead and scroll down into the section where you want to add that grid layout. So in here, go ahead and click on this plus button at the top left of your screen, and then go ahead and search for post on the elements section. So scroll down and you'll be able to find some presets that you can use for your page. So in here, go ahead and select the grid layout that you prefer to use for your page. So simply click on that grid layout, and then that will be placed into this block of your page. And as you can see, you can go ahead and tailor fit how this looks like. You can add and remove as much posts as you prefer to add for this section on your grid, and that is how you can basically display WordPress posts in a grid layout without plugin. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.